Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today I'm gladly unboxing the part 2 of our build. I'm unboxing the Gigabyte Gaming B650 XAX V2. It's the AM5 socket motherboard, DDR5 support, 3 NWMe SSD, ready support, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN support. Well, this is kind of average of the motherboards that you can choose. Of course, the full size. So that's that. Let's take a look at the box. The name. It just says that it has QFlash Plus. So this is a good function. You can update the BIOS without CPU if you need it. You need just to connect power to the motherboard, and you can update the BIOS with it. So that's awesome. What do we have else? Revision 1.0. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have the revision 1. Okay. On the back side, what do we have on the back side? Yes, we have fully covered MOSFET heatsink and M2 thermal guard. So MOSFETs are actually covered with heatsinks. That's awesome. That's first time in my life I am buying a motherboard with heatsinks. So that's that. It has wireless, and I was amazed because I saw that this motherboard actually have Wi-Fi antennas. That's amazing, because I thought this motherboard just have the support for the Wi-Fi 6E, but not the antennas. But we're gonna have antennas, and I think we're gonna have Bluetooth also. So I could connect mechanical mini keyboard and my MX Monster 3S. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's open the case. And here we have, it's actually the first time in my life I bought the full-size motherboard, because I used to buy only, you know, those smaller ones. Okay, I discovered that this motherboard has been put in the tray. Let's put it aside and see what's else in the package. First, we have 2 antennas, which is awesome. They're movable. We have 3 M2 SSD screws. We have, I guess, 2 SATA cables. I wish I wouldn't use SATA, but I don't know currently. We have multilingual installation guide. I actually don't know how could this be useful. There's a lot of steps, but nothing too interesting for me, at least yet. Maybe there are some questions about, about the CPU cooler socket, how to mount the NZXT Kraken Elite 240 RGB on it, but I think that's the problem for the later build. And we have some regulation. Nothing else in the box. We can move on. Let's put it to the side. And let's take a look at this beauty. Yes, let's put it to the side. Nice, 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 nice. Let's put it right to the side. Let's open this up. Beautiful, damn. Nice, look at this beauty. Heatsink, 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 heatsink. M2 with a heatsink. Moves a little bit. Safe. Take it off. Okay, what do we have? I wonder, where is the keys to update the BIOS without the CPU? Okay, there's the USB communication, the HD audio, the LED V2 LED C1. I don't know what is that. Sysfan pump. Okay, Sysfan 3 or the pump. USB 1, USB 2. This is 2 for USB, so it's gonna connect with the communication. Why do we have communication? And where is the USB-C connector? No, this is not the USB-C connector. This is the case connectors. Okay. Interesting. 24 connector. Then for the CPU we have 4 connector and 8-pin connector. What else do we have right here? This is the, I don't know what that is actually. Then we have CPU optional fan, CPU relay fan, sys fan, CPU LED. Interesting. Where is the RGB connectors? I guess here would be the RGB connectors. Yeah, I think this one and this one could be the RGB connectors. Yep, I'll study that later. Yeah, what ports we have? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 USB-A's. DisplayPort, HDMI, USB-C. Lovely to have the USB-C finally. Then we have the button for the Q flash. Okay, Q flash plus, whatever that could mean. This is the BIOS USB. Nice. I think I'm gonna update the BIOS, but currently I don't know. I will decide later. So that was the second part of the build. Thank you for watching, and stay for the next, where I will unbox another part. That could be the RGB communication hub or the fans, NZXT F240 core RGB fan, or the NZXT Kraken Elite CPU cooler. So we'll see. Yep, I'm putting this back to the back, and see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Bye.